over here under income and expenses, a lot of people have their clients input their own information here. So what if your client inputs their own 433 information after you invite them to the portal? They come in here and say that they're donating $5,000 a month to the church. Well, you know the IRS is going to allow 0, or maybe you can get them to get something. When you give them the report, you want them to know that you considered their $5,000. So in the full report, it will still show the $5,000, but when you submit it to the IRS or when you're discussing this with your client, you can tell them, you know, the IRS is probably not going to make that into an allowable expense, and explain it to the client why. But when you hand them their full report, it will still show, let's just do that. Summary of income and expenses, preview report. So you can see here that the client says that they want $5,000 in charitable deductions. You said 0, which is what the IRS will most likely accept. So it's just going to help you in your arguments there so that you don't have to delete it anymore and say 0 on that in that space. So that's been added all the way up and down the column here for the 433. Remember, if you have a vehicle that's more than 9 years old or 125,000 miles, for the offer and compromise, you would get an extra $200. And you would just click right there and it will populate it for you. Operating expense.